Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. And today we're going to make some jerk chicken wings. I have my chicken wings in some vinegar and salt and lime juice. So I'm going to rinse them and I'm going to get right back to you. Okay guys, I've finished washing my chicken wings. I washed them and I cut them in 2 pieces. So now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. In this I have paprika and some mix of black pepper, chicken seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna season my chicken with my dry ingredients, and I have some garlic powder also. So I'm gonna rub these together, rub in all the seasonings here. So guys, you can make all chicken wings for your holiday, or you can do it, season it in the morning, and you can do it at night for your supper or for your lunch. So I mix in the dry ingredients, and I'm gonna add some of my jerk sauce. In half, I'm gonna add half on it, and I'm gonna rub it in too. I'm gonna make it soak for maybe 2-3 hours, and I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna make it sit for about 2 hours. You can even do it from overnight if you want. It will be more better if you could season from overnight. So now I'm gonna cover it and make it stay for 2 hours. And I'll get right back to you. Welcome back guys. So now I'm gonna put my chicken wings in my pan. So guys, remember to like, share, comment please, and tell me how you do your chicken wings. Don't be shy. And if it's the first time you're watching us, welcome. And I hope you can subscribe and like and share our videos so you can see more of us. And guys, if you tried the chicken wing the way I did it, you let me know in the comment section. And guys, you can do your chicken from overnight. You can season it from overnight and cook it the next day. It's no problem. So okay guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven. So okay guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven now, and I'm gonna for maybe 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay guys, I'm gonna check my chicken wings now. Ooh, they're looking good. I'm gonna check them and put on some sauce. I just make some sauce of Diana sauce and some of my jerk sauce and a little bit of ketchup. This is what I have in here. A little Diana sauce, little ketchup, and a little of my jerk sauce. I just mix them together to put over my chicken wings. And guys, I make my own jerk sauce, so you can buy your jerk sauce at the West Indian store or at the store where you can find jerk sauce. I think all the stores they have it now. Maxi, Walmart, all the stores they sell jerk sauce now. And why I make my own jerk sauce is because I want to manage my hot pepper, because some people doesn't like the pepper, it's too hot. Because some of the jerk sauce are very spicy. So that is why I make my own jerk sauce, so I can control the pepper. So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven again for another 15 minutes. and 10 minutes, and then I'm turning them over. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out my chicken wing and turn them over now. See, they're looking so nice. So I'm gonna turn them and put some sauce on the other side, okay? They look so delicious. Okay, so I'm finished turning them. So now I'm gonna put some more sauce and put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Just to let them get some more color. Guys, you can eat this with rice. You can have some potato wedge with this. You can even have some hard-dough bread. When you're watching TV, you can sit down and have these. So okay guys, I'm gonna put them back in the oven for a couple of minutes, and I will come back to you with the finished product. So okay guys, my chicken wing is finished. I'm gonna plate it so you can see how it look in my plate. And guys, don't be shy. You can comment and tell me if you see I do anything that is wrong or you do something different. Please comment, please. And please like and share and subscribe. So okay guys, so this is my finished product, and I hope you like, share and comment please, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.